How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've seen you guys, but I have somebody very, very important, very special today. It's my boy Samong.
That's the nicest thing somebody's ever said to me. I'm important.
If you guys don't know who he is, you guys make sure you guys check out the link down below. But let me just tell you guys about him. He is an outdoor guy. That's all I could say. He does hunting, fishing, catch and cook. He does all these amazing, peaceful videos that I watch a lot when I'm on the road and driving. There's something about his content that's very special and unique. You guys don't know, he is the guy who wear glasses and hunt, right? He's pretty hardcore, and that's how I remember him. So I recommend you guys to check out his channel. He does a lot of awesome stuff. We are out here in the city looking for some fish. He'll be here for the next 3 days, and hopefully we can put a show for you guys. So what are we targeting? Don't know yet, but we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna do something, and hopefully you guys enjoy the ride. So with that being said, make sure you guys check out his channel. You guys don't know that, it's YangOutdoors. His Instagram and everything will be linked right here. You guys will see it on the screen, and let's go from there. So stay tuned. Alright, so we are here, bro. Let's get the trolling motor down so I don't crash.
Ourselves
Yeah,
into.
that's at least 10 pounds, if you're wondering.
Really?
Yep, that's a female.
That's a 10 pounder?
Yeah, a 10 pounder.
Just a casual dead 10 pounder under a dog.
Yep.
Nothing crazy.
Alright, so that's the rod, the red worms. Alright, hope you don't feel like getting dirty, but you will get dirty.
Fishing is all about getting dirty.
Yeah, shake off some of the dirt here, it's too many. All you have to do, take this guy, rig it through the middle, whatever. Don't have to be perfect. You just literally just
Wacky rig them?
Yeah, don't matter. Just throw it on there, okay? These fish are big anyways.
Wow.
Just like that. And then I'll just give you a little bobber right here. It's only like 3 feet deep. Just punch it on there and you're good to go. So what I do is I like to hook it and wrap it.
Yep.
Right? Because it's so thin. The line is so thin.
Nice.
And just pitch it around there, let it drift, and they'll pick it up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up the catfish stuff for my boy here. I think I have a cutting pad here somewhere. If not, I'll just use the cover. Yeah, I'll just have to use the top of my cooler here. So we're gonna start off with a sucker head, right? A big old sucker head. A catfish of his lifetime, right? Because, jeez, almost went in. It's a catfish. I mean, that's a sucker right there. I'm gonna cut him in half and throw it out there. So chill out, okay, buddy? Just right in half, right? Just gonna sink this guy in the back. It's so shallow, probably don't even need a weight. So this is what you do, bro. Just like that.
Right through the mouth.
Because when they eat the whole thing anyways. Gee, that was terrible at hooking. Don't listen to that part. See how they're bloody? Real bloody fish. Just chuck it back here. They're heavy, so they sink already. And you just yep. Like that. Fish on? Oh my gosh, huge! I told you, bro. Yep. Careful. Watch your drink.
I have no idea what this is.
It's massive, dude. Massive. Slow down, don't let it tangle you, okay? Come up here.
Try not to. I just saw my bobber.
Yep.
And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait for him.
I think it's a catfish. Yeah, slow it down, okay? Let's just try not to spook it. When the fish spook, it's gonna run around. Oh, dude. Remember, 4-pound test, okay?
Yeah, I know.
There we go. That's a giant, dude. You ready, okay?
I'm ready, but I don't know if he is.
That's funny, dude. Yeah. I don't know either, but we'll see, right? We'll find out. I don't know. Did you see a splash?
I did.
Careful.
I know it's big.
Oh, don't go under. No. I'll help you troll, yep. Okay, that's good. Yeah, oh no, don't do that.
I think he's going out that way.
Yeah. Oh shoot, that's not good. We gotta chase him. If you don't want to spook him, he's gonna start going under. Stay out here. Oh jeez, that bird. Oh my gosh, my heart is shaking for you.
Dude, first ever Wisconsin hookup right here.
And it's a giant.
It's a giant. I was expecting a big bluegill, but no.
A 10-pound bluegill, right?
Could be. State record bluegill right here.
Please stay in the middle. Do not go to the docks. Keep pressure on him. He's gonna go to the docks. Yeah, keep pressure on him. Force him out. Is it stuck?
I don't know.
Oh no.
His head's shaking.
Okay. Just slow it down. Yeah. Try to force him out. Oh, he went to the docks.
He could have got stuck.
Dang. He's still on though, because you would have broke off right now. Yep. Okay. Oh, he's right there. The bobber's right there. Yeah, he's coming out. He's coming out. He's still moving. Yeah, slow, 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 slow. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Oh my God, it's a big one. It's a big one. Yep. Apply pressure, okay?
Yep. I'm trying to drag.
No, you're good. Good. Yep. They're smart. They try to tangle you over there.
Oh, he broke off.
That was a big catfish, I think.
That was a big catfish. My jig's gone.
Yeah, yeah, they do that. They're smart. That was a massive catfish.
That was a big catfish.
And maybe they are here, they just don't want to eat. Oh, I got one.
You do?
Large one, big large one. Big large one. Big large one.
Ooh.
Yeah, yeah. So random, dude. The heck?
You didn't know he was on?
No, I didn't know he was on.
Oh, fish on.
No, don't go to the docks. Don't go to the docks.
You can force this thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, like, oh, 1.5 pounder?
Yeah, I'll try to.
Oh, that's a good large.
Oh, it's nice. Jeez.
We got a fish.
Finally, right? The curse is broken.
Oh,
good
hook
name,
set.
good name. Thank you. Yeah, it's nice.
Nice.
Yeah. 2-pounder. Oh, dude, look at his mouth.
Somebody lost him.
Let's just do some surgery here real quick. He's a nice little bass.
This guy's been getting hooked before.
Yep.
Doing some surgery on him. Yeah,
Yes.
get your release.
Just shoot him down. Oh, okay, cool. We got a fish. Hanging by the rocks. It was dark. Oh, I got a bite. Look, see it?
Oh.
Got him.
Fish on.
Yep, got him.
Very nice.
It's a big fish, bro.
Big.
Yeah. I mean, he's not that big, but it's big enough. I think it's a largemouth.
It's gotta be. Oh, whoa.
It's a largemouth. You don't want a largemouth? It's not that.
I'll take
Yeah,
it.
it's not that big, but it's still a largemouth.
It's better than nothing.
Right, right. Better than us struggling. Yeah.
Nice.
It's still good fish, yeah. Oh yeah, still really nice fish.
Dude. Like what, 1.5?
Yeah, these are like 1.5. They're thick right
Sweet.
now. Look at his mouth, he got hooked before.
These fish in here get pressured.
You know?
I guess they don't call you DYangBass for a reason. Nice.
Yeah, look at his mouth. It's crazy. Alright, catch and release. Nice spot. Got him. Big bluegill.
Oh, that's a bluegill.
Yep, that's what we were looking for. You got one too?
Oh, I got
You got the duck.
I got the
Oh,
dog.
look at this.
Dang, that's a stud.
Yeah, they're pretty nice.
Bro.
I'm still watching you. I'm like,
I thought I had a fish on too.
it's okay. Go ahead. Cast over there by the fin, by the big fin. Yes, it's nice. So pretty.
Dang.
Yep,
That's a Wisconsin bluegill right there.
yep. They
Nice.
get bigger, so get your release. It's a decent bass. I actually got a fish, dude. It's not that big. Ultralight rod, of course it's big. Bro, just pitching warm over there and I got wrecked. Bassmaster Classic. Oh. Yeah. We're pitching worms for like bluegills and stuff by the dock. Oh look, there's another one. Nice bass. Bring it back in. Bring it back in. Yeah, come up here. Come up here. Yeah, I just saw him. He's still there. He's still there. Yeah. Oh, there's two of them. That's fine. That's fine. Leave. You see it. He's gonna get it. Oh, he's going. You see it?
Yeah,
you see it?
Yeah.
He's going. Oh my god. Wait. You got it. Oh, you got it. You got it. You actually got a bass.
Oh my god.
Side fish for a bass. That's cool, dude.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, that's a nice one too,
It's a
dude.
good one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too funny.
That's so cool. Josh shotting on a. Oh, we gotta land this fish. Yep.
I let him take it good too.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh my god, that's actually really nice.
That's my first Wisconsin bass.
That's actually really nice, dude.
I let him take that one. Beautiful.
That's a beautiful fish.
Thanks for the fight, buddy.
Heck yeah, we got something.
We got something.
So you just gotta find where they're congregating, and then you catch them all day long. It's just so finicky today. Oh, you're going down. No? Oh, I just got hit. Just got hit. Nope. Just got hit. That's a fish, bro. Oh, yeah, he's on. Finally. Oh my goodness. Look what we're dealing with. Yep. A little better. Yeah. Oh, you're on. Oh, jeez.
How did I miss that?
Dude, hard as heck.
I'm gonna be as gentle as possible.
Yeah, just raise the tip. Raise the tip. Go, go, go. Hey, oh, you got him. Yes.
See, this is the type of bluegill I'm used to at home.
Yeah, yeah.
Little guys.
Yeah, they got some big ones in here too. Yeah, they got some big ones in there. It's just these little ones are getting to it first. You gotta weed through them. Oh, look, a pumpkin seed.
Nice. Yeah, half is one word.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, they got it. He's running with it. Yeah, he's running with it. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that's what's up. That's cool. That's cool, dude. Oh, that one's a fighter. That's a nice one, actually. Oh.
That's a respectable one.
Yeah. Beautiful fish. Oh my god, it's actually bigger than I thought. Oh. That's huge.
That's a toad.
Bro, that's really nice.
I can't do the normal. Bro, that's like the 5th one I've missed.
Oh, he's on. That's a nice fish, dude.
Whoa.
What the heck?
Nice.
What is this? It's a better fish. Yeah, it's a better fish. That's a big bluegill, yeah. Unless it's just a fighter. Oh, it's decent. Yeah, it's decent. Yeah. Yeah, much better. Yeah, that's nice. See how like the big ones are in the weeds. Alright guys, so as I'm editing this video right now and watching Danny fish, let me show you guys. That's him right there fishing. Me up there, him right there. He's killing the smallies right now. But as I'm editing this video, I realized that I did not make a outro to this video. Why? I don't know, I just like totally forgot. We were having so much fun with the bluegills. At the end we caught like a ton of bluegills. I want to say 20 plus. Nothing that crazy big, but it was just still fun just to go out there, watch some bobber drops, and have a good time with Samong. So other than that, we were targeting catfish. We did fish after the rain, which it didn't help. I mean, it was a hit and miss, but the water was just really dirty. Like the areas that we wanted to fish were just dirty. The panfish wasn't there. The catfish wasn't there. I mean, we hooked into like one, and that was pretty much it. But we had a great time. Fun time outing, simple outing, but I promise you guys this next video that you guys are going to be watching, it's going to be so much fun. We ran into some great fish, and I just can't wait to show you guys, so stay tuned.